This week I printed and designed the part which will go on the negative side of the Ionic wind generator. Because the test of last week was successful, I can now go ahead and print and design the other parts for the Ionic wind generator. I added 3 straight blades to this part, so that the slightly positively charged air is attracted to this part. Now that the first blade is in, I can continue with the other 2 blades. Because the plate between the knife and the part was so small, it took a bit more time than I expected. But with a bit of persuasion, the parts are in and this is the final result. Please subscribe and I will see you next time.